What I have here is a headphone. I do not usually get headphones, but this is a curious one. I sold the T50 RP, and this is a dynamic driver headphone. That was a orthodynamic headphone. Orthodynamic is more like planar, but I find myself not enjoying planars a lot. This is AKG K612 was available on this sale, and this isn't exactly in pristine condition, but is supposed to be a very good headphone in any case. This one too isn't exactly easier to drive because of its 112 ohm impedance requirements. In any case, let's see how this compares with some other headphones similarly priced to this. I have a few DV based headphones, and I believe this one is going to stay with me. If not, I'll get rid of this. This might come on sale if I don't like it much. So let's have a look at this. There isn't anything else in the box. This is it. Is there anything else? No, there is nothing else in the box. This is all you get. Let's check again. There is nothing else. Literally, there is nothing else in the box. No cable, anything, nothing else in the box. This is just there's just an headphone in the box, and slightly older stock, but I got it for a very good price, and that is reasonable. I think full cups, I think 100 cups, and I have replacement pads too. I'll check if my replacement pads work on this. I have a better pad for this. Very smooth. This is nice. This is good. I like this. Oh, good amount of padding. The pads are supposed to be comfortable, and I believe this pads will be comfortable. No removable cable though. There are a couple of brands that do not do removable cables until you pay them a lot, and AKG is one of them. This headphone is one of them. Bad Dynamic is a brand that do not do removable cables till uh, $300, I believe. The DT770 and 880 990 are fixed cable, and yeah, these cables are very durable, so one does not need to worry about that. These cables are very durable, so fingers crossed. This is the unboxing of AKG K612 Pro. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Enjoy.